You follow the page?
Later, guys.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the first episode of the 550SX Project Build Series. Today, it's teardown time. We're tearing this thing down to the studs.
It's demo day.
Call us HGTV because this thing's getting a full restoration.
Now, we got an absolute heavy load of parts coming, but Blosian just said that our parts aren't in stock, so we just got to wait a little bit longer, even though we're itching out of control.
Itching.
But we got some parts for you guys. Our first parts for the 550.
ODI with the full package. Let me just dump it out for you.
We know which ones are going on here, though. If you don't know already,
Those are meant to
go.
go on the 550.
if you don't know the colorway, you do now.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, get them all in there. Get them all in there. 6 sets of grips. Am I counting right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're calling 6, and these are the brand new ODI. As you can read it, I can't.
Vanquish.
Vanquish.
It's the V2 lock-on grips. They're saying 2 times less arm pump on those hogs.
That's going to help a lot with the vibration of the old 550 over here when it's running top notch.
When it's absolutely pinging out of control. But let's see the other part that we've got. This is actually from a subscriber.
Dylan Jones. We're talking to you. Dylan Jones.
Dylan Jones.
U.S. made intake. We put our carb on. Look. Bam.
Bing.
Go right there. Bam. It's looking like the throttle cable adapter's on the other side. Bam.
But pretty sick first part that we got, and it's from a subscriber. So thank you, Dylan Jones, for sending that thing over. And thank you, ODI, for hooking it up as always. You know, go get yourself some of the top-of-the-line grips. Nothing better than a set of ODIs. So the plan for today is this whole unit, yank, straight out of there, ripping everything out of the engine bay. We're painting the engine bay, making it look all nice. But this is probably just a preparation video. We're going to pull everything off this hog, the pole, the bars, the motor, the turf, everything.
The whole 9.
The whole 9.
Gonna have to call the old dump service and have them come pick the rest of this thing up because we don't need it anymore.
Mechanic Jones.
All right.
What's the estimate on time right here today? How fast do you think you can pull this motor?
I'm thinking a solid 20 minutes, I'll have this entire thing emptied.
He's feeling like Goose.
Time lapse,
He's
man.
feeling like Goose from Rockstar Makita Suzuki back in the day.
I think he's got better than that.
If you know, you know.
20?
Better than 20 minutes.
Jeez.
Well,
Well, the time lapse will tell us.
we'll see what we accomplish today, but by the end of this video, I can assure you guys that this thing is going to be stripped.
Flipped down to the bones, looking like it back in 1991 on the assembly line.
Update, boys. Engine bay is almost completely stripped. We did it in about 30 seconds, so that's my best record yet.
30 seconds. See, I knew he had better than 20 minutes.
Motor's out. Check that out, boys.
Wow. You look at it. Things looking worse than when we started, but it's got to look bad to look good. Sold Out Co. Restoration Shop coming to you live. Seeing in the comments, you guys are saying, these guys don't run enough oil in their 2-strokes. They're not smoking blue. Really? What is that?
Wow.
Apparently the mid shaft is the whole shaft on a 550.
Got my new pogo stick.
How heavy is that thing? It's about 39 feet long. Oh, wow.
Probably about, I'd say 22 pounds.
22 pounds. You're smoking kratom.
We could sell that though, maybe.
Oh, this thing is light, bro.
Wow.
This thing's so ridiculously long. When you ride this thing, it's in your lap. Anybody want a stock 550 pole?
We'll sell it to you.
$7. $7. You can have it. You gotta pay shipping. Wham! Bam! Right in the clam. As you can see, the motor's out. Jet ski is clean. Pole's off. Motor's in the tray. As you can see, Jetanetics carb filter's missing a bolt. Of course, we're already missing bolts because this thing wants to vibrate your hands off. Good thing we got those ODI 2 times less vibration on the grips. Come on. As you see, there's enough RTV to hold a family together in here on Jerry Springer. Drill, baby, drill. We got enough oil in this to keep the United States going for another 10 years. We're not going to have to get to the reserve barrels. Let's go. Let's get this thing back together.
This guy literally can't even stop to breathe. He's talking so fast.
Jonesing, dude. Jonesing.
I'm struggling to get the damn pole bracket.
They glued the pole bracket down.
Don't-
With probably more RTV. No, they actually did.
Yeah, I
And good thing we got a new pole bracket. Look at the crack on that hog.
we definitely were going way too hard on this thing. It cracked for sure from us.
I was just telling the boys over here, the big dogs like us over here, approaching that 200-pound weight limit, freaking crank the bars around a big sweeper, rip the whole nose cone off these things. They sell braces for the inside.
They
But,
sell an inside brace.
I mean, listen,
That's sounding pretty...
2 mil thick. 2
Yeah.
mil thick, they're saying.
We're gonna need a car dog.
Hold the jet ski down.
It's hell, brother.
I didn't even hear it budge.
Do you have to take the grate off or what?
No, I'd have to take the pump out.
What?
It's so tight. Starting to feel like Takaki over there in Japan. How much we've done on this 550 today.
If you don't know who Takaki is, go over to Instagram and check him out.
He's
Guys,
got the baddest 550s on the planet.
the guy is insane. Barrel rolling any jet ski on the planet.
Rumor has it, he actually barrel rolled a Sea-Doo 3D.
It's baddest 550s.
Yeah.
The guy has multiple. That are
Yeah.
The most crazy built things I've ever seen in my life.
He has unlimited jet skis. It's insane.
How the are we gonna get the steering cable out?
Buddy is about to blow his beak out.
So the guys over in Les Schwab are working on cars. From this angle, it actually looked like you hit yourself in the face. Did you think that we'd ever get free grips from?
Never, ever did I think we would get free grips. Been begging my mom since '98 to get me ODI grips out of the shack at the bike track. Now we got them coming. Like, fuck, please, Mom, my grips are so hammed out. Please, I need new ones. Now they're coming straight to the doorstep. From Johnny Jump, you can't believe it.
Shout out to Johnny Jump. Insane, dude. We've all been repping ODI since we were 9 years old. Buddy just blew out the white shirt. Who wears a white shirt for a teardown?
I figured nothing more crispy than a white shirt on camera, so I might as well bring it to the teardown. And now I ain't been to the gym in a little bit, right? But I'm thinking, used to be in there. See if we can't bench you on 550.
1, 2, 3. Look at this guy. That's live.
Big hogs for you with the 550 right there. I mean, come on. 10 big ones. Let's get some shoulder presses on the hot.
This guy said, let's get a workout with a motor. I don't have any
Got the
dumbbells.
ODI bill on that one.
You're insane, bro. You've been drinking too much Rev Up energy.
I've been revved up since day one. Came out of the womb revved up.
Some dude said lose some weight before you put the wetsuit on.
Did not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, next time lose some weight before you put the wetsuit on. Excuse me? And who are you? I'm one of the last ones standing with this ape style I got going.
Can you just not keep up on the shaving, or are you just over it?
You know my schedule. You think I can fit shaving in there?
Wow, the 550's really torn apart, bro. Look what he caught out there in the swamp, bro. Out there in the lake, he caught a...
Jimmy Neutron about to take off.
The 550's looking rough as ever. I can't even lie, but guys, you got to make it. This is pretty right here.
Couple more videos and this thing's gonna be picked out West Coast custom style. Transformers unite! Woo! Woo! Oh wow! Wow, that was nice. A little ding on the hood, never hurt anyone.